Hello Year 4, this is a quick video with me, Mr. Furlong, to look at your team's logging in and team's work and to just help you to try and edit your work a little bit better. Those of you who might be struggling, and to be able to share some photos or pictures of your work. So I'm hopefully looking at your teams like you might see it. So you might have got these on the left assignments, which is where the lessons get put. You've got the teams that you've got Mr. Furlong's class in Year 4. If you're in 4JC, you'll see Mr. Sewell's class. There's lots of activity going on with messages and assignments loaded up. So the thing you need to do each time during this lockdown is click on Year 4, which I think most of you are already doing. And then some of the chat and some of the lessons pop up on the posts. If you can't find one that you think you're looking for, you can go on the left here. And at the minute, I'm looking for today's literacy. So I can't see literacy. So I'm going to go to 5 hidden channels. And there it is, because it just can't list all of the different learning we're doing so much good, so many good lessons, so much good learning. So I'm going to click on literacy. And then it's got a video that I did to go with the literacy lesson. And it's got a literacy assignment. That is the lesson for today. And then it should bring up this with the literacy lesson. The slides for the PowerPoint, this red one, is usually information that you need to know. Okay, there's not really anything to edit on there, but it's to look at and read, and sometimes there's some pictures, and there might often be a teacher talking over, so it might then give you some help that way, because you might be able to click on something and hear the teacher talking. But I'm going to pretend that I've watched that slideshow, seen the information I need so far already, and click on the Word document. I've clicked on the Word document, and it should then appear on my tablet or my laptop or the device. Although admittedly, those of you with a phone, it is tricky on a phone, so you might need to try and find the device or get in contact with school. Okay, on here then look down. I've read the example that Mr. Sewell wrote, and I can then click on the link or highlight and copy and paste the link to go to the Flubber video. Really funny video. Watch that, and then asks me a few questions and asks me to write down things that I think happened in the video. I can just type it in, but it might not then save. So what I need to do is at the top here, and just click in and make sure that this is on editing. So it might be on something else, might be in reviewing, might not have the editing on yet. So just double click on that, check that as on editing. Okay. You might want to go when you go to the document in the first place, click on the 3 dots, and you might want to click here on open in Teams, and then it should do it automatically as it did before. So then I can come down to the document, and I've edited in some things of what's happened. So I have scrolling down, that's what happens into the video, and then I've typed some things that have happened with my onomatopoeia, and then I've got right down to the bottom, and I'm going to now edit in my paragraph. So I'll start by writing boom, the door flew open, and beans the door flew open, and the inventor, because it wasn't big beans in the video, inventor fell to the floor with a whoosh and a smack. Lots of onomatopoeia meant to fit in there in my paragraph already, but the paragraph isn't just one sentence, so then I'd write some more. Probably end up being a few lines like that. Then I finished. So what I now need to do is click on close. I'll close the document, but it might not appear for your teacher yet. So what you then need to do is, when you think you've finished and you've finished all of that paragraph or all of that piece of work, in the top right hand corner here it says turn in. Click on turn in. But wait, what I might have done is I might have done some work not by editing the document. So I'm going to click here on Add Work. This will allow me to find a photo of my work from my device that I can add in. So then I'm going to click on Upload from Device. And I'm going to go straight to Pictures. Here's my picture of my literacy work that I took. Open. Hopefully this won't take very long. Click on Done. And now it's added the picture of my literacy work that I wrote in my book. And now I can click Turn In. And there we are, all done. I have edited some work on the Word document, added a picture that I wrote of the work I wrote in my book, and then I can click Turn In, and then my teacher, Mr. Sybil or Mr. Fallon, can have a look. I hope that helped. Get in touch with your teacher if you want some more help. Goodbye, Year 4.